folks! We are Team SpARSh, presenting an AI-powered app for automated data prep and report writing. SpARSh, AI-powered smart pipeline for automated reporting and statistical handling, streamlines messy data and manual reporting into 3 simple steps: upload, process, report. It delivers fast, one-click reports with clear explanations, backed by statistical rigor and full transparency. It uses FastAPI and Next.js. Its intelligent pipeline automates data ingestion, cleaning, and analysis for a consistent, reliable dataset. SpARSh reduces manual processing time and costs by over 60% while scaling seamlessly for large survey pipelines like MSPI. It's a cost-effective, efficient, and scalable solution designed to tackle real-world challenges. It ensures fair policies with explainable AI, cuts processing from weeks to hours, and reduces paper waste through digitization. Our work is grounded in extensive academic and technical research. Let's take a ride through our website, SpARSh. Welcome to the live demonstration of the SpARSh platform. From the main dashboard, we'll navigate to the data intake portal, where the process of uploading, validating, and analyzing data begins, showcasing how seamlessly SpARSh handles every step of the workflow. Here are some powerful options that make things easier for us, streamlining every step of the process with efficiency, clarity, and speed. And with our website's awesome, modern, and user-friendly design, exploring these features becomes an engaging and seamless experience. Let's hit Enter Upload Portal and dive into SpARSh's powerful, game-changing features designed to make data handling effortless and exciting. Now, I'll upload a sample CSV file. As it uploads, SpARSh's advanced AI pipeline immediately goes to work, validating, cleaning, and analyzing the data in real time. Within moments, it produces a detailed, accurate report, completely automated with no manual effort. This ensures faster insights, reduces errors, and transforms the entire data. The process is now complete. The report includes a full executive summary, key visualizations, and actionable recommendations. It can be viewed directly in the browser or downloaded form. The report also contains graphical representations such as bar graphs, pie charts, etc. SpARSh even lets you generate it in multiple languages like Hindi, Bengali, making insights instantly accessible to everyone. Finally, our most powerful feature, the integrated Gemini AI assistant. It makes data exploration fast and conversational. In conclusion, SpARSh is a complete data analysis ecosystem, automating tasks and delivering AI-powered insights efficiently. Thank you. Let's unlock the power of data